Alright, here's a quick video. This is my Woodland Mills HM130 Max. I've been watching Sawing with Sandy, and it's one of the reasons why I bought this mill. Great mill. I've cut a few big logs with already. I've got about 30 saw logs in the 24 to 30 inch range, white oak, black oak, beech, cherry. Work with an arborist, so I've got quite a supply of wood. Been trying to get a woodland mill setup that I really like, and this has been it. So, but I've learned a few things in the last couple of weeks cutting with this mill. One of them is that the log scale's not all that accurate. You know, you've got the pointer that's normally up on the sawmill scale, and a 1/16 of an inch one way or the other isn't really reflected on the scale, because as you're looking at it, depending on where your eye is and how high up the saw head is, it's just not that accurate. So what I've done is I've made up a bracket, steel bracket, and I've used a Wixie table saw fence digital gauge, digital readout. So what I've done is I've attached one section of the Wixie fence to the upright for the log scale, and then with the magnet hits that steel bracket. So what you do is you set the saw where you need it, zero out the scale, and then as you crank down, tells you exactly how far down your next cut is. So you got to account for the thickness of the saw blade, the saw curve. But then all you do is hit the incremental button again. Goes back to zero. And you're ready to do your next cut. Works out real well. I'll shoot some video with it sawing logs in a little bit and post these, and hopefully this can help people out.